these are very nice and soft. They don't feel itchy at all. Yes. These are like, are these crew socks or like, where are my ankles? I don't know. Where are my ankles? Oh, wait, these are ankles? So then what is this? What is this? A calf? What is... I don't know. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to start off with some big news. So recently, something I haven't told you about yet, unless you are active on Facebook, is that I was chosen to be one of the new YesStyle influencers. I can't believe that this opportunity happened. I actually found out about the program when I first became a YouTuber, but I didn't think I would ever be able to make it in. However, after a lot of hard work and support from you guys, I was finally able to apply and I got in. So today's video is me unboxing this. My first ever product from the YesStyle influencer giveaway. So inside this box is the Stay Cozy, Stay Warm winter gift set, and we are going to be unboxing it together today. So stick with me and let's see what's inside. I'm literally so excited. Like, this is a YesStyle large box. I've never gotten a large box from YesStyle before, and I can't figure out how to open it, even though I know how to open their packaging, but I don't know how to open this. You know, I'm sure it wasn't supposed to be that difficult. I just have the strength of a spaghetti noodle. But now we have the box open, and I'm just gonna pull out whatever's on top. So let's take a look inside. Ooh. The first item we have is the Lazy Corner Converter Panda blanket. It is wrapped up in this little bag, but we're gonna open it anyway. So I actually already knew what was coming in here because they told me what was in it in the email. And the converter blanket seemed so cute. It comes in this little panda format, and it actually is a zipper. What makes it a converter blanket is that there's a zipper here, and the blanket, oh, this is a cute blanket. Very nice and soft. Oh, I hit my light. So here's the blanket. It has little pandas on it and something in, is that Japanese? I think it's Japanese, but it's very cute. This is very soft, and the little carry case is so cute. I don't know if I'll be able to fold it back, but I'll definitely try. I'm putting all my grandma's laundry tips into advice here. Okay, close it. It's very soft. I would definitely get this. Oh, itchy. Okay, anyway. I don't even have anywhere to put this. You know what? I'll just put it over here for now. You can't even see, but next up, let's move on to the next item. What is this? What is the next item? Okay. Next, we have... Oh, I accidentally picked up everything at once. Let's start with what's on top. These are button-knit fingerless gloves. Fingerless gloves. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, very nice. Ooh. I've never had fingerless gloves before, so I can't really say, but I assume these are pretty good ones. Wait, did I put them on backwards? No, I didn't. Okay, sorry. I have figured it out. So these are what they look like on. As you can see, they give you that baddie in the winter effect. And yeah, there are no fingers, but they do feel pretty warm. So I'll definitely get a lot of use out of these since I walk home from school. And speaking of walking home, the next thing we have in here are avocado socks, which I don't like avocados. I've never had them, but I don't get the hype. However, the socks can be an exception. If I could open them. Alrighty, so these are some avocado socks. I'm gonna put them on right now. Ooh. Ooh, these are very nice and soft. They don't feel itchy at all. Yes. These are like, are these crew socks or like, where are my ankles? I don't know. Where are my ankles? Oh, wait, these are ankles? So then what is this? What is this? A calf? What is, I don't know. I don't even take science anymore. Someone help me. Anyways, the point is, I got the socks on. These look like the type of socks that people always wear with like those Nike shoes, but this is what they look like. They're just avocados. They're green and they're very soft. Am I approved? So moving on, we have something that I had never thought that I would own, which is a beret. Because I don't know if my hair would look good with one on, but I figured I would try it anyway, since it came in this kit. I'm not sure how I'll put it on with a bun though. I might have to try it on at a later date, but it does come with this little, like the plate inside, so that it's not, alright, my nose is itchy, stretched out, and it has this cute little thing here. And this is the beret. It feels nice and well made. I feel like I should toss it like a pizza. Like, you know, in like how in the pizza people, they kind of just do that. I feel like I should be doing that with it. I could have sworn I just saw something fly across my room. Whatever. Do you think I can put this on with a bun? Like how would that work? I don't think so. For research purposes, I'll insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like, but beret. Now we are moving on to are these them? Yes! I was really excited when I found out these were in here because I've had my eye on these ever since I first went on YesStyle. So they are actually in my cart before I knew about that I was going to be receiving this. They are fleece lined leggings and they have this like soft material on the inside, which would be really convenient for me because I get cold really easily, and these don't look super fluffy on the outside, but on the inside is where all the warmth is. So I'm gonna go put them on right now. This is gonna be a look, this whole outfit.
A few moments later.
All right, everyone. Oh, you probably can't see me. Maybe I'll... So I am back with the leggings on. These are... The first thing I noticed when I put these on is that these are really tight. Like, I have spaghetti noodle legs and I still had trouble putting them on, but they are really soft and comfy. They don't feel itchy at all. And I don't know, I forget what the word, I think they're like called stirrup leggings, ones that have like this thing on your heel so they don't fall off. I'm out of breath. Oh god. All physical activity. Anyway, they have like little stirrups so that they don't fall off of your feet. But these are really, really soft and comfy, and I am shook I really like them, I have to say. Okay, moving on. Now we have this, which I also knew that I had a feeling that I might not get as much use out of it, but my mom loves these, so I might donate this to her. This is basically just a scarf. It's like one of those fancy scarves, and when I pull it out, it feels very soft already. This is what it looks like. Oh gosh, the shadows. This is what it looks like. And now I shall put it on. Ooh, I have to burp. Anyway, so it's very wide, and I don't even know, how would you go about putting this on? Would you just like, nice. Anyway, so we're down to the last two items. I can't even believe it already. So far it's taken me 11 minutes to record this. That's because like 2 of those minutes were me trying to put on these leggings. But anyway, another item. These are cute little earmuffs. They're bendy earmuffs, so they can fold inwards like this for storage purposes, and it looks like this part is removable too. This fluffy thing. So these are really warm. These will help me out here in the winter too. As it's getting cold right now, it rains every day when I have to walk home from school, and it's so annoying. I wonder if they're noise canceling. They fit my small head. Well, my head's really small, so it's kind of shaped like a peanut though, but that's why you can't tell, but my head is pretty small. But they still fit me, so you know. I don't think they're noise canceling. I can still hear. Well, maybe they are. I haven't experienced much noise in this area, but that's not important because I'm now going to show you the last thing that came in this amazing box. Here we have the AP. I know this brand. I see it a lot on YesStyle. I'm just not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. It is a hand cream for dry hands in the winter, which would be super convenient. So we're gonna test it out right now because, as I told you before, I use a lot of hand lotion. You've seen me buy a ton of hand lotion on this channel. And oh wait, actually, do I want to break the seal on it? Do I want to? I guess for video purposes, I will have to. Usually I hate opening new things, but for video purposes, I will give you the utmost review. Okay. I was trying to see if there's a smell. No, I don't really smell anything immediately. Let's put some on. Oh, okay. Now that I take it out of here, it does have a slight smell. There are English directions too, and I said two because the main directions are in Korean. There's English. I don't know if you can really see that, but there's English directions underneath the Korean. And not that you would need directions for hand lotion, I'm sure it's pretty straightforward, but I'm not really sure how to describe what this smells like. Maybe aloe vera? Or a cough drop? No, let's go with aloe vera. Ooh, very nice and smooth. I like the smell, it's very relaxing and soothing. Okay. My hands feel very nice. I have very dry hands, so this will definitely come in handy for me. I still can't figure out what the smell is, but I have a hard time identifying stuff, so you probably know that already from watching my channel. But just like that, we have made it to the end of this video. I can't believe I'm already done unboxing this whole thing. Thank you so much for watching me, and thank you for supporting me for this opportunity. Thank you to YesStyle for this opportunity. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!